Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here I have some chicken that I'm gonna curry Jamaican style. Check out the video. But first, I'm gonna wash the chicken using a large lemon and half cup of vinegar. Now I'm gonna wash the chicken using my lime juice and some vinegar. Now I'm gonna add a quarter cup of all-purpose, a tablespoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of curry powder. I'm using the Better Pack curry, guys. A tablespoon of pimento seed. Now I'm gonna add some of my green seasoning that I made for my previous videos. Just like so. I'm gonna mix in this well, just like so. I'm gonna let this marinate in the refrigerator for 24 hours, guys, for best result. You can let it marinate for 4 hours if you want, but I need all the seasoning and herbs to get deep inside my chicken. That's the reason why I'm marinating it for 24 hours in my refrigerator. Okay, stay tuned. To my pot, I'm gonna add a quarter cup of oil. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curry to the oil. I'm going to burn the curry, guys. Just like so. I'm burning the curry for about 30 seconds. Now I'm going to add some onions. Some thyme. Some garlic, hot bonnet pepper. Let this saute for a minute. Now I'm gonna add the chicken to the pot. Just stir just like so. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. I'm just gonna cover this chicken. Just like so. I'm gonna let this cook for 5 minutes, then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. Now I'm gonna add a piece of ginger to the pot. Just stir just like so. I'm gonna add some green onions. Just stir again, just like so. And then I'll add my coconut milk. And let this cook down for like 5 more minutes. Then I'll add my coconut milk. Now it's time to add the coconut milk. I'm using the Grace coconut milk, guys. I'm going to put about 3/4 cup of coconut milk. And give it a stir. And guys, I did not add any water to my chicken. I just cover it and it sweats and builds its own water. There it is. I'm gonna let this cook down for 15 minutes, then I'm gonna add the vegetables. Stay tuned, guys. Now I'm gonna add some rice to go with my cold chicken. Guys, I'm washing this rice 3 times to get rid of the excessive starch. I'm gonna add half cup of coconut milk to my rice, then 3/4 stick of butter. I'm gonna give this a stir. Cover it. There we go. My rice is starting to cook. Stay tuned. Now I'm gonna add the potatoes and carrots. Then I'll add some sweet peppers. Stay tuned, guys. Now I'm gonna add my bell peppers. Give it a stir. And let this cook for an additional 5 minutes. And my curry chicken should be done. I'm gonna serve this salad with my coconut rice and curry chicken. And here it is, guys. My authentic Jamaican curry chicken is done. If you can only smell it through the television or the phone, this smells so damn good. And here it is, guys. My rice is done. Stay tuned. Now it's time for plating. Now it's time for me to taste this beautiful dinner. I'm gonna dig in on the meat first, the chicken. Oh my god. Guys, the chicken is so flavorful. Going on the rice now. I can taste that coconut in the rice. Taste some more chicken again. It's just so good. The real deal. Yeah, man. Please like, share, and subscribe for more. One love. Bless.